not just my view, the truth about this whole thing. Before South Africa went in there, they got the mandate from the African Union. And the African Union Peace and Security Council, which looks into matters of peacekeeping operations and peace in Africa.
Yeah.
It's a body, it's a 15-member body, the Peace and Security Council, right? They actually mandated South Africa to go in as a peacekeeping, what you call, outfit.
Yeah.
Into the DRC. So South Africa did not do that on its own. And what they do, the African Union also, they call it the element of subsidiarity, meaning that the principle of subsidiarity, they work closest with the regional economic community that is around that area. So in Africa, we've got 8, and SADC is one of them. So it is closest. So the mandate came from the African Union, and it was reinforced with the SADC, and South Africa went in. That's what happens. And why they use a closest REC, or what they call a regional mechanism, which is SADC, because number one, proximity. We are closer to the DRC. Number two, the histories. Remember, under the ages of Thabo Mbeki, we came about with the facilitation of peace of all that. So we've got that institutional memory and all that. So it made sense that SADC. And who is in SADC? It's not just South Africa, right? It's Mozambique, it's Angola, it's Namibia, it's Zimbabwe and all that. So there is a continental mandate for South Africa to have gone in there. So, and Lorenzo, the president of Angola, because of the mandate of SADC, called for discussions to find a peaceful solution to the DRC, right? And I understand, I stand for correction there. I understand some of the parties did not turn up. And which are some of those parties? It was Rwanda. Rwanda was never there. But now when you listen on other interviews, some of the leaders will tell, no, Rwanda was there.